Kurdish food and cooking. Kurdish cuisine is as rich and diverse as the culture it stems from. From hearty meat dishes to aromatic spices, Kurdish food offers a delightful culinary adventure. Traditional Kurdish cuisine incorporates a variety of ingredients such as lamb, beef, poultry, grains, vegetables, and dairy products. One of the most popular Kurdish dishes is dolme, made with rice, fresh herbs, and minced meat. It is wrapped in grape leaves or cabbage leaves, resulting in a mouth-watering delicacy. Another iconic dish is kebab. Kurdish kebabs are typically made from minced meat, mixed with spices and grilled to perfection. Dolme and kebab are often accompanied by lavash, a traditional Kurdish flatbread. This thin and soft bread is baked in a stone oven and adds a delightful texture to any meal. Kurdish cuisine also embraces a wide range of soups such as izagolan soup, made from lentils, bulgur, and various spices. For dessert, baklava stands out as a timeless favorite. This sweet pastry is made with layers of phyllo dough, nuts, and sweet syrup, creating a delightful harmony of flavors. Kurds also enjoy a variety of dairy-based desserts, like shelt, a thickened cream dessert topped with cinnamon or nuts. The use of spices is integral to Kurdish cooking. Influenced by the flavors of neighboring Iran, Iraq, and Turkey, Kurdish cuisine often incorporates spices like cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and cardamom. These spices enhance the taste profile of dishes and create a unique experience for food enthusiasts. Kurdish cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh, natural ingredients and bold flavors, has gained popularity worldwide. It reflects the rich heritage and hospitality of the Kurdish people. Whether you're trying dolme or savoring a piece of baklava, Kurdish food and cooking offers a delightful experience for all culinary enthusiasts.